Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. You may come in. Come in. We're gonna get started shortly. Good morning to everybody. How was your weekend? Good. Mine was okay. Yes, it's just a lot of work. Things. A lot of work. But everything's great. Okay? Okay, all come in. Awesome. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a few things today. But first, I want you guys to scan the QR code that is in my back, on my back. So this one, okay, go ahead and scan it. Also, all of you have a phone, all of you. So probably like two, three, four of you don't have a cell phone. That's fine. So go ahead and pair with your neighbor, with your friend. This is gonna be very quick. Okay, so everybody scanned it. Awesome, awesome. So now here's the first part what we're going to do. This, as you can see on the back, that is going to be my math Padlet. So, and as you can see, there is a question on the Padlet that says, "What are triangles? What does a triangle look like? And does it always look like this?" So this is what you're looking at in your computer. Louis. Okay, just a quick second. Just let me. So this is what you have on your computer. So it's asking you, and I went ahead and shared it with you. So this is my math Padlet, and it says, "What do you guys think is a triangle? And what does a triangle look like?" And I also put an example right there. So this is a triangle. So if you guys want to go ahead and get a little bit of help, you can go ahead and tell me, okay, what are triangles based on that picture? Any characteristics that you see on the triangle. If you see on your phones, there's a purple plus sign on the bottom. So you can go ahead and click on it, and it will allow you to type. And if you go ahead and click on the three dots, it will allow you to do a lot more, like, for example, take a picture, draw. So you can go ahead and draw me what do you think a triangle looks like if it's not always looking like this. So go ahead and do that. With the people that don't have a cell phone right now, don't worry. As soon as your neighbor is done, you know, inputting their answer, you can go ahead and just, it gives you enough time to think about your answer, and you can go ahead and do it. I'll go ahead and see who responded. So come on, all of you, go ahead. I see that you guys have entered, some results. Okay, I'll give you about 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes have passed. Okay, thank you for your responses. Now let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay. Now here you guys said, okay, I've seen quite a lot of responses. So it says that there are different triangles. That was one answer. Some of you drew different triangles, what it looks like. It could be different from the one that I have in the picture. And it says that angles of a triangle equals 180 degrees. Some of you said 3 sides. Okay, there is an equilateral triangle as well. And you guys drew some triangles that are okay, they're very good. So thank you. Thank you. So if you guys, this is for you right now. So let's say that we're going through this class and you have questions. If you want to, you can go ahead and write them. I'll type them on this Padlet, so I can go ahead and answer on those questions, just throughout the class. Okay, awesome. All right. So now we know that triangles are different, and there are different types of triangles here on the images. And let me see if I can go ahead and show it to you. So here Some of you drew some triangles. Not gonna be able to, but you drew some of them. So what I want you to do right now, and I have markers right over here. I have a lot of markers, at about 10. So you wouldn't need to be seated a lot of times. So what I want you to do is to draw me a triangle. So we know, we've said that triangles are different. We have different sides, that they have 3 sides. So go ahead and comment up. All of you, I have, go ahead, come in, and I'll come up, and I want you to draw a triangle. Okay, students are coming in, they're drawing on the back, and went ahead and drew some. Thank you, Mariana, thank you. So go ahead, guys. Yes, keep drawing, keep drawing. All right. Okay, thank you, everyone, thank you. All right, thank you so much. And on the board at the back, this is what they drew. So here is the different triangles, and yes, they're all triangles, guys. What are the angles and the measurements for the angles and the sides? Well, we don't know, but we know that all of them represent a triangle. Very, very good. Thank you guys for participating. Now, what do I want to do with all of this? You guys told me that there are different types, and one of you said that there is equilateral triangle. Does anybody, can you guys please tell me what an equilateral triangle is? And I want somebody, okay? Margarita, what is it? That all of their sides are equal. Very good. Very good. Yes, an equilateral triangle means that all of the sides are equal to one another. Okay? So, and we have other types. Does anybody know any other? Remember, there are no wrong answers for now. I mean, for now, for forever. Okay? So, anybody? There is acute triangle. Yes, there is acute triangle as well. And what does that mean? That means that the angles are less than 90 degrees. Very good. Very good. And guys, I actually know that you have knowledge about triangles. I know that you, on middle school, you looked into triangles, the angles, the sum of the angles on about 8th grade. So that's what I've seen. Now, there's another type of triangle. There's another one that we're going to go ahead and talk about today, especially. Can you guys tell me which one it is? Or maybe you can have an idea, another triangle? No? Okay, no problem. So the triangle, this triangle we're going to talk about today will be the right triangle. So some of you did actually draw it on the board, and you also drew it here on the Padlet. And is this triangle right here? The right triangle. All right, right now I'm doing it like this, just totally fine. Now what I want you to do now, I want you to go into teams of 4. Yes, groups of 4, and starts now. No. Done. Thank you. So with your teams of 4, this is a right triangle. Now I want you guys, probably you have heard about this one because you saw it in middle school in about 8th grade. So I want you guys to discuss just a little bit about the right triangle. Go ahead and take your time. Go ahead and talk about it. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw it on the board. It's right there. So if you think, okay, so what is a right triangle? It's right here. Can you give me characteristics about the right triangle? Can you guys give me a little bit more about it? I'll go ahead and walk around the tables just to see what you guys are discussing. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you about 5 minutes to talk about it. So let's go, get started.